Jamaica's Miss World baton has been passed to 25-year-old Khalia Hall, who hails from the Garden Parish of St. Anne, Priory to be exact, where she occasionally helps on her family farm, so there's no surprise why she loves food so much. More importantly though, healthy food, as she hopes to change the eating habits of Jamaicans. Her father, Richard Hall, was a medical doctor for 37 years before he ventured into organic farming, and Khalia has connected the dots.
Yet, it is a fact that Jamaicans are not eating enough fruits and vegetables.
Non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity are the #1 killers in Jamaica.
Not crime, not car accidents, but lifestyle-related diseases that are, in most cases, preventable.
Khalia loves to explore, and so the Campion College old girl would spread her wings and fly like her favorite birds and earn a master's degree in mechanical engineering from the University of Manchester in the United Kingdom. She'll have some big shoes to fill, as Jamaica will be defending champions of sorts at this year's Miss World pageant in Puerto Rico, after Tony and Singh bagged the title in 2019.
This crown on my head is not mine. It belongs to all of us. It belongs to every single one of you that have something on your heart, some passion, some purpose. Get out there and do it. Let me be just a representative, just a reminder that there is nothing that we can't do. Listen me.
The 70th Miss World pageant begins November 21, with a coronation set for December 16, and all of Jamaica will be watching to see if the land of wood and water can pull off the double. Her biggest inspiration, Mom Yvonne, will more than likely be in the audience. All the best, Khalia. I'm Cassius Watson for Jamaica Social. Follow us for more.